Hello, friends. Today, let's see about primary education and educational psychology. Let's get into the lesson. Primary education consists of children of age from 5 to 10. Primary education is a formal education, whereas pre primary education is a non formal education. Students are taught based on 3 R's: reading, writing, and arithmetic. Here there are two divisions: lower primary from 1st standard to 5th standard, and upper primary from 6th to 8th standard. Gotari Commission. The initial statement of Gotari Commission is India's destiny is shaped in her classrooms. The aims are primary schools should be situated within 1 kilometer and middle schools within 3 kilometer. Avoid waste and stagnation up to 8th standard and non-retention. Historical development. Today's education system was started by the Christian missionaries. The first effort taken towards education by the British government is the Act of 1813. 1853 complete survey on Indian education was taken. 1854 is the Woods Dispatch. 1882 Lord Ripon Indian Education Commission was held. That is the Hunter Commission. See in brief about Woods Dispatch. It is a Magna Carta of Indian education. It is also called as the grant and aid system. This dispatch rejected Lord Macaulay's downward filtration theory, also called as trickle down theory, of 1835. This downward filtration theory is education from top to bottom, that is, from higher class of a people to common people. It recommended vernacular languages can be adopted in the schools as the medium of instruction. For your information, Macaulay introduced English education first. UEE, Universalization of Elementary Education. SSA is an expanded project of UEE. SSA, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. It was started in the year 2001. SSA was launched for achieving 100% enrollment. The goal of SSA is all children of 6 to 11 years of age should complete primary education by the year 2007. Hunter Commission of 1882 established to review the state of primary education. It also recommended to run the local body schools. NNPE. NNPE was implemented in the year 1986 and the National Policy of Education was implemented in the year 1968. This is implemented by Rajiv Gandhi. Innovative aspect is to give computer education to students. CBSE was started. It said education is equal for all. That is no difference in community, language, religion, and sex. Some of the plans of NNPE are OBB, Diet, and NLM. OBB. The full form of OBB is Operation Blackboard, and the year is 1987 to 1988. It improves human and physical resource availability in primary schools of India. The scheme is to improve primary skills. Diet. District Institute of Education and Training. The year is 1991. NLM. The full form of NLM is National Literacy Mission. Articles related to primary education. Article 45 is provision for free and compulsory education for children up to 14 years. And Article 46 is education is free for SC/ST caste. Article 35, the elementary education is a fundamental right if the children in the age group is 6 to 14 years. Some important quotes. Froebel, a school is a play garden to the primary learners. Dr. Radhakrishnan, we might have banished Englishmen, but not their language, and English is not the monopoly of Englishmen. Gandhiji passed basic education or Varda education revolution in 1937. Dadabhai Nauroji first raised the voice for free compulsory primary education. Gopalakrishna Gokhale first raised his voice for compulsory free primary education for boys only. Lord Curzon of 1864 allotted rupees 3 lakhs for the first time for schools infrastructure and spreading of primary education. DPEP District Primary Education Program was launched in the year 1994 with the objective of universalization of primary education. Its main features are universal access, universal retention, and universal achievement. The main components are construction of classrooms and new schools, opening of non formal schooling centers, and appointment of teachers. Note this, a primary school should work for 210 days. PG Carr Committee recommended compulsory primary education. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned.